It was the night before Christmas. I was closing down for business in my little prison shop.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today is Vlogmas Day 1 and we are kicking it off with a Homegoods shop with me video for Christmas. I recently got a Homegoods in my area and I was so excited to go check it out and see what kind of Christmas goodies they have out. So if you guys need some Christmas decor inspo or you just want to shop at Homegoods with me, then let's go ahead and get started. If this is your first time on my channel, I make lots of videos around home decor and decorating and everything around homemaking and making your home a place that is welcoming and cozy and a place that you truly cherish. I also have a 2-year-old little boy named Brooks that I do some content around motherhood and also some vlogs. So if you like how that sounds, definitely subscribe to my channel. And I'm also doing Vlogmas throughout the month of December, so I will be posting videos Monday through Friday throughout that time, and I'm so excited to be doing this. I did Vlogmas last year as well and did lots of fun things, so let me know what you guys want to see me do throughout the month of December. If you are looking for already done up wreaths and garlands and greenery pieces, Homegoods is definitely the place to look. They have awesome deals on stuff like this. I know some of these wreaths could easily be over $100 and they are usually around like $30 to $50. So really good deals on that. They also have just random decor. So anything you could possibly want, I'm sure you could find. I personally am obsessed with the gnomes. I love the look with Ray Dunn stuff. You guys have seen my Christmas home tour. I love decorating with them and they had so many here at Homegoods for, I would say, $12.99 and under. So really good finds. They have ornaments in sets. They have individual ornaments as well. Really anything you could be looking for. I thought these ones were so unique and different. I like the pop of green. You don't usually see that. In the middle aisles, they usually have some bigger pieces. This Santa was in there as well as this Eiffel Tower. I also loved this garland here. I thought it was so cute, and these little gnome trees. Oh my goodness, they are so cute. I love them. They also had a cookies for Santa little display. So cute. Awesome signs for your front porch. Very, very reasonably priced as well. So Homegoods just has the best finds as far as Christmas and home decor. In my opinion, they just have so stinking much. I love it. It's so fun to just roam the aisles, see what they got, imagine how it would look in your space, and then picking out special pieces for your home.
Some kind of love, my friend, I pray it will never end. Do you like to be here too? It's Christmas.
Now we're moving on to the kitchenware items. I loved these little gnome cups and these canisters. So cute. And then I found this mud pie set. Very cute for a cheese ball and only $10. You guys cannot beat that. They also had all kinds of tablecloths and napkins, really anything you would need to host a Christmas party or a Christmas breakfast. So if you are looking to host those kinds of parties, definitely check out Homegoods. They also had this really cute Friendsgiving gift set. I thought that was so cute. The salt and pepper shakers of Rae Dunn are also really popular, so you just never know what you're going to find. I'm a huge Rae Dunn person, you guys probably know that, and they didn't have very much this day, but I asked them at the register if they usually get things daily, and she said that they had already sold out of all the Rae Dunn items for that day, so that was kind of a bummer, but we went around 3 o'clock, so it doesn't surprise me. This area of mine is super hard to find Rae Dunn items. Let me know down below, do you guys collect Rae Dunn, and if so, is it really hard to get your hands on them at your Homegoods and TJ Maxx?
It's just you and me tonight. It's just you and me tonight.
If you are planning on doing some Christmas baking, Homegoods is also another place to look at for supplies. This is not something that was on my radar, but it turned out to have a ton of really cute stuff. I actually picked up one of these aprons for our cookie making Christmas party with my Bible study girls. I can't wait to wear it. And they had so many dish towels. So cute and all really reasonably priced. They had anything, I mean, that you could think of. Any style that you're going for, they had it. And then I also found some Rae Dunn Christmas candles. I love these candles and these cards. I picked up a package of those cards to mail out to some of our church friends. And then into the gift wrapping section. So Homegoods usually has a couple aisles of gift wrapping and cards that are really unique and awesome. So they switched all of these out for Christmas and I was there for it. They had super cute ones. This white and red buffalo check I actually picked up, and they had ribbon to go along with it, so definitely check out there for all of your gift wrapping needs. And if you have a dog lover in your life, how cute was this dog section? They had everything from treats to decorations to dog sweaters, so this would be really cute to give your girlfriend who loves dogs, or if you have a dog and you give them presents, this is also a great place to look.
As I walk through the streets of my old hometown, I hear sleigh bells ringing in the air.
On my way back up to the front, I noticed some Rae Dunn gift bags, so I wanted to quickly show those as well. How cute are they? They would look adorable under the tree. And then I thought this was really unique as well. It was a tree skirt in kind of that knitted material that everyone is raving over nowadays. And then I entered into the stockings and all kinds of tree skirts and blankets. They also had these cute little gift sets up front, and they had just like chocolates in them and different kind of kits. I thought that hot cocoa kit would be so cute on a hot chocolate bar. They also had really unique sprinkles and this chocolate set for kiddos. How cute are those little tumblers? I just die for that. I think that's adorable. And these would be really great gift exchange items as well for a really good price. I found a few more Rae Dunn candles. I thought this set with the matches was super cute and I loved the red candles. They smelled great. They were $10, so that would be a great gift idea if you have a friend who loves Rae Dunn as well. So that wraps up our Shop With Me video and Vlogmas Day 1. I am so excited to be doing this for you guys. Let me know what videos you guys want to see. Make sure you like this video if you like Shop With Me's, and let me know where you want me to shop at next. And subscribe to my channel if you are new. I would love to have you here, and let me know if you're new in the comments below. See you guys in the next one.
Whoa, oh, oh. Da, 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 oh, oh. Da, 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 oh, oh. Da, 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 da. Making our Christmas memories.